Now we could do a short exercise to fill in with suitable adverbs. You read the sentence and you fill in with any suitable adverbs. Okay? So fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs. Fill in with suitable and that's what we're going to do, a short exercise. Okay? The first one is, first I'll write out the exercise for you. You think aloud, read aloud, then tell me the words. You are big dash to study on your own. Next one, she is weak. She is weak. So, she cannot. So, she cannot run dash. Next, the cat ran. The cat ran the stairs. The train has. The train has arrived. Dash, nobody was killed. He is deaf. I have dash been to. Moon. The eighth one, they are dash fighting. Is your friend now? Now I've got a whole lot of about 9 sentences here, and we're going to fill it with correct adverbs. You are big to study on your own. You are big, yes, very good. You are big enough. You are big enough to study on your own. You are big enough to study on your own. Very good. She is weak, so she cannot run fast. Very good. So she cannot run fast. You have put in 2 adverbs. Enough? Fast. The cat ran the stairs. You can say cat ran down or up. You can say either. Cat ran up the stairs, or you can say down the stairs. You can use any one word. So, you are big enough to study on your own. She is weak, so she cannot run fast. The cat ran up the stairs. The cat ran down the stairs. Next one. The train has just arrived. The train has just arrived. Then next one. Nobody was killed. Fortunately. Fortunately. Very good. Fortunately, nobody was killed. He is dash deaf. He is dash deaf. You can say he is totally deaf. Totally, completely. Or you can say slightly deaf. Okay? I have dash been to the moon. I have never been. Never. I have never been to the moon. They are dash fighting. They are very good always. They are always fighting. And finally you have dash is your friend now. Where? Where is your friend now? Where? So what have we done here? We have filled in the sentences with suitable adverbs. Okay? You are big enough, adverb, to study on your own. She is weak, so she cannot run fast. The cat ran up the stairs. The cat ran down the stairs. The train has just arrived. Fortunately, nobody was killed. He is totally dead. I have never been to the moon. They are always fighting. And finally you have, where is your friend now? So we have filled in the blanks with suitable adverbs. You have enough, fast, up, down, just, fortunately, totally, never, always, and where. And these are the adverbs we have used to fill in the sentences.